Hey guys, it's Brock. I'm still in New York. I'm walking down my hallway to my room, and I just hear this eerie noise. Listen to it. It's so creepy. Alright guys, I just thought I'd let you listen to that for about a minute or so. Probably hasn't been a minute, but I can save it. So I thought I'd just show you. I can't speak. I thought I'd just let you listen to that because it's so eerie. So yeah. I'll show you. That's my room real quick. Anyway guys, that'll be it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.